Maria, I'm a bit worried about Mrs. Arnold today.
Hi Gina. Why are you worried?
Well, she's quite confused. I found her trying to walk out the front door before breakfast. She was still wearing her nightdress, but she put an old jumper on as well.
That's not like her at all, is it?
No, it's not. She's usually very alert. You know, she reads the newspaper every day. She even does the crossword.
So, this change in her behavior is very sudden?
Yes. I did notice that she didn't seem herself yesterday, but I thought she was just a bit tired. You remember that Mrs. Arnold went on a bus trip yesterday?
That's right. She went with the garden group. Has she had any problems going to the toilet? I mean, has she complained of pain when she goes to the toilet?
Yes, she did mention something yesterday. She said it was only a little bit, so I didn't think it was serious. She just said she was going a lot.
That's okay. The elderly don't always have pain when they have a urinary tract infection. I'll do a urine test to be sure. When did you notice the change in her mental state?
As I said, I noticed that she seemed a bit sleepy yesterday after the bus trip. She's definitely more confused this morning. It seemed to happen very quickly.
Yes, acute confusion in the elderly can happen very suddenly. It's different from the confusion of dementia, which tends to be gradual. The good thing is that the confusion should go away when her urinary tract infection is treated.
That's good to know. I'll go and check on her now to see that she's okay.
Thanks. I'll come and see her myself, then I'll ring the doctor to come and see her.